Hello. Today, I'll show you how to delete your search history on mobile. As you probably know, your mobile activity is saved whenever you perform a search. If you click on the search bar, you'll see all your search history. To delete a single search, tap on the X icon next to the search you want to remove. Then, tap on Delete, and that search activity will be removed. To delete all your search history on mobile, tap on your profile photo in the top right corner. A menu will open. Once there, tap on Search History. In the new window, you'll see all your search activity on mobile. You can browse through the list and delete individual searches by tapping the X icon next to each one. You can also delete search activity for an entire day or week using the same method. If you want to delete your search history for a specific period, tap on the Delete drop-down button. From there, you can choose the time range you want to delete, such as a custom range or all activity. After selecting an option, a new window will appear, allowing you to specify what type of activity you want to remove. You can choose between image search, and video search. Use the checkboxes to make your selection. Tap Next, and then tap Delete to remove the selected data. If you prefer to automatically delete your search history, that's possible too. Tap on Saving to Web and App Activity. Check whether the activity tracking is turned on or off. You can change the settings by clicking on the drop-down button and selecting a different setup. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know the search activity is paused. To reactivate it, simply tap the same button and reverse the settings. Scroll down and tap Turn On to complete the process. Auto deletion is another option. Tap on Auto Delete and choose how long you'd like to save your search history. If you want to keep all your web activity, tap on Don't Auto Delete Activity. Then click Next. You can reverse this setting anytime by selecting Auto Delete again and choosing a different interval. After the selected time, your search history will automatically be deleted. That's it. You've successfully deleted your search history on mobile, and all activity-based suggestions have disappeared. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching.